Second last car for the day is this 2003 Nissan 14 Clipper, which is going for 53,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. So you're looking to pay 1,330 per month. It has 87,508 kilometers in the clock. It has a 1.6 liter petrol engine producing 47 kilowatts of power and 132 newton meters of torque, with a 4-speed manual transmission, in a fuel tank capacity of 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers, and a fuel tank capacity of 50 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car has 4 issues, which are ball joints are loose, windscreen crack, not working, engine unstable, and speed unstable. So this car has few issues which you can fix there and there. And the car, it is old, and according to me and my view, I think this car, it is quite in a good position, as you can tell by the age it has. So the interior was very impressive. As you can see, it is quite clean, even though the seats are torn, but I was impressed. So if you want to start a smaller Nyana business, I think it's the car to go for, or a bucket to go for, so that you can start uplifting your life. Yeah, but the car, it is still okay. As you can see, the front row of it, it is still in a good condition.